Hi guys, I'm at Sam's Club today to see what kind of Halloween merchandise they've got for 2025. So let's go inside. It's my first time checking out their Halloween stuff, so I'm curious to see how they compare to Costco. After I show you all the Halloween merchandise available at this warehouse, at the end of this video, I'll show you what other members have found at their local Sam's Club. Alright, the first thing that I see here is the animated ghostly skeleton. It's 9 feet tall and the ghost floats back and forth. Let's watch it in action. It's a female ghost, so it has a female voice. This is a showstopper for sure and would make a pretty cool addition to your Halloween graveyard. It's $199.98. Next is the animated graveyard violinist, also 9 feet tall, has LED glowing eyes, is motion activated, sound and animation. Price is $289.98. This is another perfect addition for a cemetery themed front yard. Then we have the 3-piece animated ghosts, priced at $119.98. They sway side to side and are illuminated by 60 cool LED lights with a chasing function. Features motion activated sound and animation. When moving, they are adorable. Then we've got the 9-piece Mickey and Friends Haunted Village. It has LED lights, animation, and music. It comes with 1 lighted spooky tree, 2 lighted lamp posts, and 5 figures. It also has a timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. Batteries are required but are included. Next is the Prismatic Spider for $69.94. It is available exclusively at Sam's Club. It has 120 LED lights with a chasing function and a colorful iridescent finish. Included are 4 yardsticks. I've seen videos of the spider online and it is beautiful, all light up at night. Then we have the 4-piece zombie hand stakes. It has 88 color changing LED lights with 6 functions. I really like this set. I actually have something similar to this, but it's not quite as cool with all the different changing colors, and the details on the hands are much better than the set that I currently own. This set is taller too. I think it's a really great price at $34.98. Next, we have the pre-lit cat and dog decor for $44.98. There's Frankie Dog and Witchy Cat, and they have 2 green LCD eyes. They are hand painted and have a timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. They are battery operated. Okay, now there's a sign for some Spooktacular Minnie and Mickey pumpkins, but I don't see any on the floor. I'll insert some photos of what others have posted at their warehouses. Perhaps they are sold out here or they just haven't brought them out yet. Anyways, they are $19.98. Instead, underneath the Spectacular Minnie and Mickey pumpkin sign are these secret pocket plushes. They double as hand warmers and have secret pockets to stash your goods. They are $19.94. Then we've got the 18-inch Bluey Halloween plushes for $19.98. These plushes are exclusively sold at Sam's Club. They would make a perfect gift for your little Bluey fan. Next is the Hello Kitty and Friends Halloween costume. This is exclusively sold at Sam's Club as well. It is so cute. I thought it was another plush toy at first until I realized that it was an actual costume. It's one size fits most, not gonna lie. I love Hello Kitty and would wear this costume myself if they had them in adult sizes. $42.98 is the price. Here we have a set of 3 decorative harvest candles with iridescent glaze finishes. They feature the following seasonal fragrances: vanilla cashmere, pumpkin spice, and gilded autumn. Price is $24.97. Also, a set of 3 are these decorative pumpkins for $49.97. They are hand painted and have a gold foil stem. It's a really nice set, and I especially love the green pumpkin. Alright, on the other side of the pumpkins are the 26-inch harvest wreaths. It features hand-painted mini pumpkins, flowers, clusters of red berries, and glitter-edged eucalyptus leaves. They are beautiful and would definitely make a statement for your front door. $39.98 is the price. Then we have these nice harvest doormats. They look to be of good quality too. There's two designs to choose from. One says Fall Sweet Fall and the other says Enter If You Dare. They are priced at $12.97. The indoor accent pillows are next and they are $17.94. My favorite one in this bunch is the long black pumpkin pillow. There's a design for fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving, all in this one bin. On the opposite corner of this aisle are the Halloween pumpkin scenes for $34.96. They are Halloween themed pumpkins featuring detailed interior scenes. Each piece is a work of art. Just look at the detailed interior scenes of each pumpkin. Place them on your mantelpiece, dining table, or entryway to create an instant focal point. Has built-in LED lights to enhance the spooky atmosphere. Available in white and orange, includes 3 AA batteries. And lastly, we have the 26-inch neon Halloween wreath for $39.97. It's fun and festive and features a neon boo sign. It's illuminated with 25 micro LED lights and is equipped with a timer function. 6 hours on, 18 hours off. 3 AA batteries are included. Alright, so that's everything that is available at this location. Now I'm going to show you some items that have been seen at other Sam's Club locations throughout the country. We're going to start out with the 7 feet air-blown Mickey Mouse, which is $179.96. There's a projector that makes it look like Mickey is singing the Monster Mash. It has energy-efficient LED lights. Setup is super simple. Just plug it in and stake it down. You can watch the video of this product on samsclub.com. Kids and adults will both enjoy this one for sure. Next, we have an animated spellcasting witch, priced at $249.98. She stands 9 feet tall, has a spooky laughter, and eerie sound effects. Check out her mesmerizing eyes and her creepy long fingers. Yeah, she's pretty cool too. You can watch a video of her talking on the Sam's Club website. Sam's Club also has a giant 14 feet tall inflatable groundbreaking skeleton for $299.94. It has energy efficient LED lights. It is so big that it is sure to catch the attention of guests and passerbys. They also have some pre-lit ceramic Halloween candy bowls for $24.97. There's a cat and a mummy. They have color-changing lights and can hold up to 5 pounds of candy. 3 AA batteries are included. Next is a pair of black cat pumpkins for $49.95. They feature hollow eyes with flickering flame, warm white LED lights. They are hand-painted with alternating matte glossy finish. Included are 3 AA batteries. And the last item is this 10 feet tall pre-lit haunted house arch. It has 789 LED lights with twinkling and chasing functions. It features prismatic bats, a smiling ghost, and a cat with infinity LED eyes. It has a 6 feet clearance at the entrance, so even tall people can comfortably walk through the door. And that's it, guys. That's all the Halloween stuff available at Sam's Club. Is anyone planning to buy anything that was featured in this video? Let me know what it is in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!